Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your clients and streamline your sales process using the CRM pipeline feature in System IO. If you're selling services, coaching, or any high ticket item, you know how hard it can be to keep track of where every prospect is in your sales journey. The CRM pipeline is an essential tool that solves this by allowing you to visually manage your sales opportunities and track the progress of every lead, from initial contact to a closed deal. First, let's build the pipeline itself. From your System IO dashboard, navigate to the CRM tab in the top menu and then click on Pipelines. This is your pipeline dashboard. Since we don't have one yet, let's click Create. A pop-up will appear where we'll configure the structure of our pipeline. First, give your pipeline a name, for example, main pipeline. Below that, you'll see the stages. These are the individual steps a prospect moves through in your sales cycle. By default, System IO provides you with 6 common stages. First up, we have the new leads stage. This is the starting point where you'll add new contacts who have just been identified as potential customers. From there, they move to initial contact made, which is for after you've reached out to them for the first time. Next, you have proposal sent, for when you've sent an offer or proposal to the prospect. After that comes negotiation, which covers any discussions about the terms of the sale. And finally, you have the 2 outcomes, deal 1 for when the sale has been successfully finalized and deal lost for when a prospect is no longer interested. These stages are completely customizable. You can rename them, order them, delete them, or add new ones to perfectly match the specific needs of your business. Once you have your stages set up, click Save to create your pipeline. Now that our pipeline is created, we need to add context to it. There are 2 ways to do this, manually or automatically. The manual method is straightforward. In any stage, you can click Add Contact. You'll then have the choice to either add an existing contact from your list or create a new one by entering their information manually. This is great for quickly adding a lead you just spoke to on the phone. However, for a truly efficient system, you'll want to add leads automatically by using automation rules or workflows. Let's use automation rules for this tutorial. For example, if you have a funnel with a subscribe form, you can create a rule that automatically adds your contacts to the first stage of your pipeline when they subscribe. To do this, add the trigger funnel step form subscribed and choose the relevant funnel step. After that, add the action add to a pipeline stage, select your pipeline, and choose the stage accordingly. Let's do another example to better understand how to benefit from the automation feature when using pipelines. Let's say you want to automatically move your contacts to the deal 1 stage after they make a purchase. First, start by adding the trigger new sale and choose the appropriate order form. Next, add the action add to a pipeline stage and choose the deal 1 stage. This way, every contact will be automatically placed into the appropriate pipeline stage without you having to lift a finger. Now let's go back to our pipeline. The real power of the pipeline comes from visually tracking and managing your leads. As you interact with a prospect and they move through your sales process, you can simply click and drag their contact card from one stage to the next. For example, from initial contact made to proposal sent. To keep track of your interactions, you can add notes to each contact's profile directly within the pipeline. Simply click on the contact's card to open their info, then click on the notes icon. Here, you can write and save summaries of your calls, important details, or next steps. Once a note is saved, it will appear in the previous notes section. You have a few useful options here. You can pin a particularly important note to the top, you can modify an existing note, or you can delete it. This feature centralizes all information for each contact, making it easy for you or your sales team to stay organized and informed. Remember, these stages are only an example. You can customize them however you want to match your business model. And there you have it. The CRM pipeline feature in System IO is an effective and organized way to manage your business opportunities. It simplifies your sales process and helps ensure no lead ever falls through the cracks. By combining a visual workflow with notes and automation, you can optimize the performance of your sales team and close more deals. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.